Hi, and welcome back to the channel. Oh, the sun's too bright. Thank you for tuning in today. We're back on the hillsides and we've got some more logs to recover. I did a shorts there yesterday, shorts video showing some of the potential logs that we're going to try to get today. So I figured why not bring you all along and we'll get right to it. Got a real nice cherry log down there and a couple maple tops that are busted off. We'll see what we can get, guys. We're going to get some saw logs and some firewood poles. So if that sounds like something you'd enjoy, stick around and we'll get right to it. I'm going to be using the G444 by Husqvarna. Rocking the steel, I believe that's a 25 or 28 inch bar. LS is sitting here warming up for us. And we're going to be using the synthetic winch line with some block and tackle. We're going way over there. Down about 100 feet or so. Kind of see the root ball down there. That's the cherry. Well, bummer, guys. So went from saw log to firewood there. We got a lot of heart rot, which is common in these bigger cherries, but the butt log, good for nothing but firewood. Now I'm hoping I'll cut off another smaller chunk off of this here. I'm hoping I can get a 8 or 10 footer out of midsection of it just because of how straight it is. But if not, at least it's not going to waste here on the ground. All right, well, I don't know. I think this might be one of the best views for this pool. And I'll just set you up here and we'll get this 8 footer up over. Well, we're making progress slowly. Everything's slippery, steep. A lot of down trees I'm catching on. I'm gonna just go ahead and cut a chunk out of that cherry it's caught on now. And probably pull it up later for firewood as well. Well, you find out real quick when you come up against your shackle and sling. It's an instant stop. So here's the upper end of the pool. Started with the tractor about right in here, and ended clear down there by the pole barn. Worked out great. We'll go ahead and move this out of the way with the forks and go get the next one. It's a shame this nice log has this, but thankfully, you know, it's hard. A little soft right on this mid ring, but we'll still make nice firewood. I'm very surprised I was able to pull anything up with this to start with. I mean, this is just sheer ice. Over the hill we go. Using this line here as a guide this time. Thankfully, or I would have fallen 6 times already. Through here. Yeah. And let's go right through there. Ding! Humdinger. All right, down the hill for the last part, the top. We'll see what we can get of it. We're gonna use the same line. Seems like we got a pretty good route here now. A couple little hang-ups coming up, but nothing we can't deal with. Oh, my goodness. Is this steep? I think we're gonna have to go through in that direction for this one. Alright, I'm gonna shut this off and go get you hooked up. So we were able to get about the 20-foot stick here of the top. Got it cut back in there. We'll see if we can get this out. This will be the last one of the day. We'll get time, we'll clean up these maples too. These vines in here, my goodness, they're so hard to maneuver. Everything's trying to gouge your eyeballs out. It's a pain. All right, I'm gonna set y'all up so you can watch the top side action here of the tractor. Alright, so there's where the problem was. There's too much log down the hill. I just can't pull it over that sharp ridge. So we want to put ahead and put the snatch block about 5 foot up. We'll see if that helps here. Well, that sure was easy. I guess I just didn't have quite the traction, but we got it up over there now and get back to a straight pull and we'll finish this one out. Alright, well, we got these 3 nice logs up here for firewood. I tell you, a lot of work though. I probably had, I don't know, 15 trips up and down that hill. I'm pretty much beat, so we're gonna wrap up today's video. I thank you all for sticking along this far in the video. If you did, be sure to give us a thumbs up and leave us a comment down below if you've enjoyed the video or not. Alright, well, thank you all again. We'll catch you on our next one. Y'all take care.